Welcome to Festive Phrases from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Mark, and each day of December I'm bringing you a festive phrase in a different language. Today I'm with Hellenic because we're learning Greek.
Yasou. Με λένε Ελένη. Τι κάνεις, Mark?
Είμαι πολύ καλά. Ευχαριστώ. I'm well, thanks. Okay, it's time now to learn a little bit about Greek. There are over 13 million speakers of Greek in the world. It's an official language in Greece and Cyprus, and lots of people speak Greek in other countries, including Turkey, Albania, and Armenia. Ancient Greek was one of the most important languages in history, and it was the language of Socrates and Homer, and that's not Homer Simpson. Homer was one of the most famous poets of ancient Greece. Okay, it's time now to learn some Greek. We're going to be learning how to say Happy Christmas. Listen to Eleni say Happy Christmas in Greek and repeat after her.
Καλά, Χριστούγεννα.
Now that's quite tricky. Let's hear it again more slowly.
Καλά, Χριστούγεννα.
So you can now say Happy Christmas in Greek. Let's add our Greek speakers to the map. There are over 13 million speakers of Greek, and if we add them to our Norwegian speakers from yesterday, our grand total is 17,724,490 people in the world to whom you can wish a happy Christmas. That's all for today. Don't forget to tune in again tomorrow and learn more festive phrases. Thanks and goodbye.
Αντίο και ευχαριστώ.
Festive Phrases is brought to you by the Radiolingua Network. If you would like to find out more about learning a language anytime, anywhere with Radiolingua, please visit our website on radiolingua.com.